If you want a stylish watch which keeps a check on your fitness, then this product will not disappoint you. Hi everyone, presenting the Noise ColorFit Pulse Spo2 smartwatch, which I'm going to unbox today. The box looks impressive, it is compact and shows the picture of the watch. The grey box with the branding in white looks stylish. On the side it says designed in India, which brings a smile to my face. There are some specifications mentioned at the back, like the size of the screen, which is 1.4 inches, 10-day battery life, IP68 waterproof, etc. And a QR code as well. When the box is slid open, you will see some funky noise stickers, under which you will find the watch. I must say the packing is impressive. We will get back to the watch in a moment. For now, let's see what else is there in the box. You will find a user manual, a magnetic charging cable, which has a very unique design. Now coming back to the watch. The watch is light in weight and has a smooth finish. The straps have a good build quality and there is the Noise branding on them as well. The finish of the watch is very nice and so is of the button which is on the side. Heart rate, Spo2 sensors and the charging pins are at the back of the watch. Thanks again for sticking around for this unboxing video. Stay tuned to Gadget Times for more. I will see you in the next one.